Google Drive's new AI-powered summaries dig into your folders and files, even if you didn't ask for it. While these smart features help paid users find documents faster, they also raise serious privacy concerns, since Google can access and analyze your data without explicit consent. Users now face a tough choice: enjoy convenience or protect their sensitive info. Brace yourself. Nvidia's dropping up to 8 ARM-based laptops this spring, gunning straight for Intel and AMD's turf. Lenovo and Dell are loading these machines with the new N1 and N1X chips. Think gaming beasts and slim models, all powered by Nvidia's own silicon. Early leaks hint at graphics muscle-rivaling desktop RTX 5070 cards, signaling a whole new era for Windows on ARM devices. Anthropic just dropped a bomb. Claude AI is now wired into Excel, Slack, and Apple Health, flipping the script for how teams and users handle data and code. Pro and enterprise users get beta access to Claude in Excel for multi-sheet analysis, error debugging, and financial modeling, while Slack integration lets devs summon code sessions straight from chat. Health buffs can now sync Apple Health with Claude for real-time insights, all with strict privacy controls. This is next-level workflow automation, but heads up, limitations and security gaps mean it's not a free-for-all yet. Leidos and OpenAI are embedding next-gen AI directly into federal defense, health, and infrastructure systems, aiming to supercharge decision-making and security. This partnership means government agencies get real-time data analysis, automated threat detection, and smarter workflows, all with defense-grade security. Early pilot projects are already showing faster results, and if this scales up, it could totally flip how public services run in the US. Millions of explicit images, including those of minors, were generated by Grok's AI tool, triggering bans and global backlash. X's response? Restricting the image editing feature to paying users, a move slammed as insulting and ineffective by UK officials and safety advocates. Critics demand real accountability and robust regulation to stop AI-powered abuse, warning that paywalls won't fix the core problem. Elon Musk's Grokipedia just got plugged into ChatGPT's latest model, shaking up how AI learns and what it spits out. Now, OpenAI's GPT 5.2 is leaning on this AI-made encyclopedia, raising alarms about accuracy, bias, and who really controls the info we get. Experts warn that relying on Grokipedia could let misinformation slip through, especially since it's all AI-written and not open for public edits. Leaked benchmark data hint at Google's new Snow Bunny model, rumored to be Gemini 3.5 or 4.0, shaking up the AI game. Unlike just scaling up, this model flexes lateral thinking, handling ambiguity and complex reasoning, not just spitting out stats. But with benchmark leaks easy to fake, the real impact on European industry and global AI power is still up for grabs. Imagine building a whole new programming language in just 24 hours with an AI sidekick. Sounds wild, right? Bernard Lambeau and Claude dropped ELO, a language that compiles to JavaScript, Ruby, and SQL, showing off how AI and humans can smash out real projects together. This trend is blowing up, with experts like Steve Klabnik also creating Ru using AI, proving tech boundaries are getting straight up wrecked. Google just dropped a major investment on Tokyo's Sakana AI, shaking up Japan's AI scene. Sakana AI will integrate Google's Gemini and Gemma models, aiming to automate scientific research and deliver secure AI solutions for finance and government. This partnership is set to boost Gemini's presence and challenge OpenAI's dominance in Japan. Scams and shady apps are everywhere in crypto, but Pi Network just dropped verification badges to shut that down. Now, users can spot official apps at a glance, and devs who play by the rules get mad recognition. This move levels up trust and makes the whole Web3 scene way safer for everyone. Anthropic just dropped a beta Excel add-in for Claude AI, shaking up how finance pros handle spreadsheets. The tool reads multi-tab workbooks, explains formulas, and debugs errors right inside Excel. Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise users can now automate financial modeling and analysis with AI, boosting speed and accuracy. Elon Musk's XAI is flipping the script on X's For You tab, slashing political bait and pushing smarter, topic-focused recommendations. The platform's Grok chatbot now faces tighter restrictions, blocking the creation of sexualized images and ramping up protection for users. These moves signal a shift toward quality-driven feeds and tougher AI safety standards.